Welcome to the NetSuite training video provided by Triangle Company. My name is Sarah Siofi, and in today's video, we will be going over how to use the Show Role Differences feature to quickly preview the differences in permissions between roles. First, navigate to the Setup, Users and Roles, and click Show Role Differences. In the base role, select the role that will be the basis for comparison to other roles. In the Compare To, select the other role that will be compared with the base rule. And you can choose more than one role. You can view all the permissions or only the permissions that are different. To see only the different permissions, keep this checkbox selected, and if not, uncheck this box. When you finish, click Show. In the Role Permission Differences page, the permissions are arranged based on the categories. And you can see the Accounts permission with the Edit level for the Accountant role and the View level for the Accountant Reviewer role. You can also export this page as Excel or CSV. And to do a new comparison, click on New.